Good morning, students. My name is Dev Kumar Sharma. I am from Success Mantra Educate, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. As we know that we are making a lot of videos regarding your IELTS listening, and in that part, today is the third part of it. And today we are going to discuss that how if a process is coming, then how it is to be solved, and what precautions we should take care, what tips and tricks we can use it. Okay. Without wasting your time, let us start with it. Okay. This process is paper production and recycling. See, there is a production process and second is recycling. So once we have some time to watch it, so we have to take care of it and we have to read the instructions also. Okay, the instructions are bit dim, no more than 2 words, not more than 2 words. I cannot write any figure in this because they have restricted me not more than 2 words. So 2 words we can write. Okay. Dear students, all the whole process naturally moves in a particular system and arrows are already given and we will get the arrows also. From this to this and all these questions are written there, and what we have to take care of, we have to take care of basically the grammatical part, and we have to make sure that from where it generally starts. So from where it starts, okay, get raw material from, get raw material from. So we have to collect the raw material from some agency or from some office or from some store or something like that. After that, it moves to remove bark, and then it comes to chop wood, then add dash, then heat and pulp mixture. Add. So something is to be added here. And this is a process. Something has to be added. Okay. So we are our ears are just listening to the things that once the paper production is there. So what we are going to add along with the pulp mixture. Okay. Then after that it will be heated up. Okay. Moving this. Then paper produced in machine. Then paper is produced in machine. And next it says dash and distribute materials, dash and distribute material. In my last video I have clearly said that once there is a and, it means something is related to material only. Distribute materials, this question answer should be related to something of material, right? Like material, two things may be added, that's why this and is given. If we are totally focusing on and, then it is very easy for us to get into answers. Okay. After that, collect used paper. Then when collect used paper, then 24 is used paper. Used paper. So definitely here it can be an adjective also, because used paper is a noun. So it can be two nouns are never say at a time we cannot get the two nouns, we cannot get the two verbs, we cannot get the two adjectives at a time. So used paper. Okay. Here it can be roughly used paper, it can be adjective also, it can be adverb also. So our ears are just listening to that particular word, that how it is going to come. Next is use chemicals to. Use chemicals to. So what is to? To add on something. After that, after to, generally there is first form of verb. In English, generally after to, if we don't get any noun, if we are getting verb, so then there will be either first form of verb or maybe some noun. So what is my request? The request is this: whenever we get any process like this or get any picture like this, so we have to move along with that. Now the biggest issue is here in this is we need to learn the technique when to switch on the mind and when to switch off the mind. It seems to be very odd. Dear students, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and on I buttons you will get the link of various other videos which are relevant to this. Okay, IELTS listening, and we try to give you the best videos. Okay, moving ahead, what I mean to say, we must know when to switch on the mind, switch off the mind. After this question, whether we attempted it or not, and we move towards the remove bark and chop wood, So our mind is switched off, our just ears are just listening up to the chopped wood. It may take 2 lines, it may take 10 lines, right? When the chopping of wood is listened by our ears, then immediately we get some consciousness that we are going to have this answer. Similarly, in this question, and distribute material whether we attempt it or not, okay, till the collection of paper is there, collect used paper is there, our ears are should be on the deactive mode, right? I don't say that you don't listen to it. Active listening also. Now, my biggest question is here, as I again repeat, that when to switch on the mind and when to switch off the mind, particularly in listening, we will get better marks. There is no need that we are totally focused, we are not even taking a breath, and we are listening to it very consciously. Yes, when the answer is about to come, then we should be 200 times more focused to get the answers. If we are following this, then it is very easy for us to get into the answers and we can solve it. Rest we will see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to us and give me your comments that how best I can serve you the better. Take care of you. Bye bye.